Can't receive audio or video calls on the Facebook Messenger app on your iPhone? No worries. Here's the advanced guide on how to fix this can't receive calls or call dropping issue on your Messenger app. So, let's get started. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. You can check that by using a browser and typing the internet speed test. If you have a poor internet connection, enable airplane mode. Wait for 20 seconds. Or you can switch your mobile data to Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi to mobile data. If these don't work, then try the next solution. Solution 2. Update your Facebook Messenger app. Open the App Store, search Facebook Messenger. If you find any updates available for Facebook Messenger, then tap on Update. Now open the app and check if your issue is fixed or not. Solution 3. Offload the app. Open Settings, scroll down, tap General, scroll down, tap iPhone Storage. Find out the Messenger app. Tap Offload. Tap Offload again. Tap Reinstall. Solution 4. Make sure that your camera and microphone are turned on. Open Settings, scroll down, find the Facebook app, tap on it, and ensure that microphone and camera permissions are turned on. And after that, check whether your problem is solved or not. So, this is how you can solve the can't receive audio or video calls issue on the Messenger app. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then hit that like button, and if you have any kind of questions, then please feel free to ask in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.